by Executive Secretary Mijaldea. Sino na ba Executive Secretary ngayon? Iba na. So, Mijaldea represented the Duterte administration. Indulan po tayo. Malaking disappointment po yun. I mean, because of that, there might even be some violation of their charter. Ang word and spirit of their charter indicate that the board must always inform the president ano na nangyayari. And they have not been communicating with the president because they're relying on an E.S. Mijaldea opinion ng time pa ng past president. Mali na po yun.
Yun yung sa prize fund, sir.
Not only that, sa lahat, yung mga rules and regulations, pati scheduling of the games, Section 10 of their charter.